Hi, my name is Barbara, and I work here at BNC Ace Home and Garden Center in Grass Valley, California. I want to tell you today about our amazing order online, pick up in store shopping program. Did you know that you can order any of the thousands of items available on the acehardware.com or Ace Hardware app and pick them up right here in Grass Valley at a local BNC store? Let me show you how it works. So right here at acehardware.com, you can select the Grass Valley store and shop for whatever you'd like on the whole website. I'm going to look at some patio furniture. Go ahead and select the item that you want. It's going to show you items that we have here available at the store to pick up. But even if you want an item that we have to order for you, we get trucks in twice a week, so it's normally only a day or two that you have to wait. It'll also show you here on the website if your item qualifies for free assembly and delivery. You can enter your ACE Rewards number for that qualification. Right here we can see that this item is right here in store, and we'll have it ready for you to pick up in 15 minutes. If you want it assembled, it might take a little bit longer. You can add it to your cart, and once you've placed that order, we'll receive it and gather the things for you. Anything we have in store or available at ace.com, we'll get for you, so you can just walk in the store, pick it up without having to gather the items yourself. If your items are small, we'll have them right here at the Helpful Hub. You can just walk in the front of the store and pick them up. All we'll need is an ID and a signature. If your items are larger, we might have them waiting in the warehouse for you. So we'll give you your receipt here at the customer service desk. You can drive around to the warehouse, and the friendly folks back there will help you load it into your vehicle. You'll be on your way in no time. So just to recap, anytime you want to order anything from Ace, you can either use the Ace Hardware app or acehardware.com to order online. Let us gather all the items for you. You can just walk right into the store and pick them up. Remember, if ever you decide you don't need something, you have 30 days from date of order to get that order returned. Just bring it back to the store and we'll take care of everything here for you.